नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है। मेरा नाम निशांक है और मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूँगा आज कुछ फिटनेस की कुछ टिप्स जिससे आप फिट रह सकें। आई नो वी आर ऑल वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम दीज डेज़ और हमारा मोस्टली टाइम चेयर पे बैठकर ही निकल रहा है। इनफैक्ट ये उतना भी इजी नहीं है जितना शायद हम लोगों ने तब सोचा था जब हम ऑफिस से काम करते थे। Working from home is more difficult than working from office for a lot of people. So today I will share a few tips with you that will help you stay in shape, और at least आपका जो blood circulation है उसको flow करने में आपको काफ़ी help होगी, and you can do this during your short breaks of 5 to 7 minutes, not more than that. Okay, so friends, I will tell you some steps that you can some exercises that you can do to make sure that your body is not stiff. Okay, so we will have this top to bottom approach. We're going to start exercising our body parts from starting from the top and then going to go all the way down to your feet. Okay, so let's start. So we'll start with our head. So all you have to do is just, turn your head towards right, hold it for a few seconds, come back to the center, and then turn your head towards left. Hold it for a few seconds and come back. You can do the repetitions. You can do, 3 to 5 repetitions of this, not more than that. In the same fashion, you can, move your head up and down. Come back to the center, then down. If you are already facing some kind of neck problem, then I would suggest don't do up and down. Okay, just do right and left. Okay, then you can do the full rotation. So clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Okay, I'm doing less repetition in the interest of time, but you can do 5 to 8 repetitions, clockwise, and then 5 to 8 repetitions anti-clockwise also. Okay, make sure that you don't do it fast if you have not been doing this, or if you're doing this for the first time, so that there are no injuries, to avoid any neck sprain. Okay. Let's move to, after head and neck, let's move to your shoulders. So to rotate your shoulders, you can do this. And then anti-clockwise, opposite direction. Okay, the other movement is this. So you can rotate your hands together, like making big circles. What you need to remember is, look at my palms, how they are sort of pulled in. Okay, making sure that your hands are straight, and then anti-clockwise. Let me just go back a little so you can see my hands also. So your palms should be like this. Okay, like pull back and try to pull them back inside towards yourself. Okay, not like this. Okay, so that is about the shoulders. You can also try the full swing like this and the reverse one. Okay, so that's pretty much the shoulder. Now we will do the exercises for the arms. So this relaxes your forearms, basically, your wrist, and it's a good workout for your shoulder also in a way. Tones your shoulders, your arms, your biceps, your triceps, and then you can pull your fingers towards yourself like this. So these particular exercises, they relax your wrist. Okay, great. So that was about the arms. Let's exercise the upper body now, the torso. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rotate. Rotations, they're the best. So try this. Again, you can do about 7 to 8 rotations clockwise, and then in the reverse order also, same number of rotations. Do them as slowly as possible. What happens when we are sitting for hours in our chairs because of our sedentary lifestyles? The lower back, the lumbar region, it stiffens. So when you do these rotations, you're kind of letting your muscles loosen up a bit, and then you feel immediately you feel the blood flowing through those muscles, through those veins, and you feel much better. Okay, your cells are oxygenated because of these exercises. So we just rotated our upper body, our torso. Now we're going to rotate our crotch. So for crotch, you don't have to open your legs as much as you did in torso rotation. So you can see how I am not moving, not bending my knees. That is very important. And then anti-clockwise. Okay, so again we are going down to knees now. So for knees, you can do this rotation clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Okay, and other than that, you can also try, if you want to, this is totally optional, you can try this. Okay, so now the last part, our feet, ankles. Okay, so you can do this even when you are sitting in your chair, even when you're working. Okay, so you have to rotate it clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Pull your ankle in, pull your toes in, and then pull them away. You can do this alternatively, like one leg at a time, or you can do this together also when you're sitting, of course, in your chairs. You can do this even when you are lying on the floor. So this is a very good exercise. Okay, now this is the complete top to bottom rotations. I hope you loved the video, you liked it, and this helps you stay fit. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Namaste.